Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to explore Linearity's Workspaces and its collaboration options. Let's get started. Welcome to your Linearity Workspace. When I create my Linearity account, I also get my own workspace to organize files, folders, and invite friends to collaborate to my creative projects. Here's how to access the workspace settings. In the home screen, I click on the workspace name on the left side and I select Workspace Settings. I can give my workspace a custom name and check who has access to my workspace. On the left side of the home screen, I can view and manage my projects. My workspace already has a personal work project active when I log in. To create a new project, I click on the plus button. I click on the three dots icon and select Project Settings to change the name of the project and to invite members to join. If I've changed my mind, I can also click on Delete Project in the bottom left corner of the dialog box. I can invite a friend or colleague to collaborate in my projects. I click the three dots icon and select Invite to Project. I type in the person's email address and hit Invite. My friend will receive an email notification and they will be added to the project automatically. If they don't have Linearity yet, they can download the software and create a new account for free. I open the project setting panel to check active members of the project. I can invite or remove collaborators from the project setting panel. Let's have a look at my friend's workspace. Once my collaborators are on board, they will see my workspace appear in their home screen. To check shared workspaces, click on the drop-down menu on the left. Here, they can see their workspace at the top and the list of workspaces they've been invited to collaborate to. Back to my workspace. Here's how I organize my workspace. I click this icon to create a new folder. I rename the folder using the keywords of my next project. I drag and drop a file onto this area to add it to the folder. I double-click the folder to open it. I right-click and duplicate the file. I double-click on it and I change the colors using Linearity's Curve editing assets. I click on the plus button to add a new file. I select the size and format. I paste my design and I rearrange the elements to adapt to the new size. After editing my file, I simply save and close it. I can right-click on the file to delete it. Remember, member of the project can add and edit files, but only the owner of the project can delete files. Let's have a look at my friend's workspace again. After I've edited and saved some files, they sync on the cloud and my collaborators can see the changes on their side of the workspace in just a few seconds. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial useful. You can learn more about Linearity from the Learn tab on the home screen. Let's bring our stories to life with Linearity.